It's time for another 50s Thanksgiving salad featuring no actual salad ingredients. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we have another vintage Thanksgiving salad, this one featuring the magic of Jell-O. And we're so excited to be collaborating with Pepper Tree Villa on this one. They're making a lime Jell-O Fantasia that's perfect for the holiday season, so be sure to visit their channel after you're done here for even more Jell-O inspiration. Ours comes from the Thanksgiving Salads section of 1959's Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Cookbook and is the perfect choice for sweet tooths who loathe actual salad. However, first it's drink time. Here's one that's perfect for Thanksgiving Eve. In fact, that's its name, Thanksgiving Eve. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of Plantation Original Dark Rum, 1 ounce Stiggins Fancy Plantation Pineapple Rum, 1/2 ounce Blackberry Liqueur, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 8 dashes of ginger bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. And now on to the main attraction, cranberry ring. To make this masterpiece, all you do is dissolve 1 package of strawberry Jell-O in 1 cup of boiling water, along with a dash of salt and 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. Refrigerate until firm. For the second layer, dissolve 1 package of lemon Jell-O in 1 1/4 cups boiling water. Add 2 cups of mini marshmallows and stir until they've melted. Add 3/4 of a cup pineapple juice and refrigerate until partially set. Combine 1/2 cup mayonnaise and 3 ounces of softened cream cheese and add to the lemon Jell-O mixture, along with 1 cup of canned crushed pineapple. Whip 1/2 cup of heavy cream and fold that in as well. Add to your favorite mold and refrigerate until firm. Fill the center with lettuce if you like a little salad in your salad. Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you so much to Pepper Tree Villa for playing with us. Be sure to visit their channel for their fabulous lime Jell-O dessert. And don't forget to join us this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.